Welcome back everyone. This is the session 14 from the playlist of friction, and today I have taken one question which was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test Examination long time back. So the question here is, a block is moving horizontally with an initial velocity u. So this is the block which is moving horizontally in this direction. So I have taken the direction as indicated by this arrow, and this block is moving with an initial velocity u. If mu is the coefficient of sliding friction between the block and the surface, so this is the horizontal surface and mu is the coefficient of sliding friction, then the block V will come to rest after time. So these are the four options which has been given to us, and we have to find the correct one. So the block will this block will come to rest only when this applied force is equal to the force of the friction. So let us say I am just denoting this force of the friction as Fs. So if the block is moving in this direction, the force of friction will be acting in this direction, which I have taken as Fs. Now the force of friction is given by mu n, when n is the normal reaction. So here I have taken the mass of this block B as m. So normal reaction is equal to m into g. So this will be equal to this is the force of friction. This is the force of the friction, and so this block will come to the rest only when this force of friction is equal to the applied force, and this applied force will be equal to m into a, where a is the acceleration. So from here I am getting the value of a as mu g. Now when this block will come to a halt, then in that case there will be a retardation. So in that case the equation of motion will be equal to V is equal to u minus at. So if I use this equation, then the final velocity V will be equal to 0. Initial velocity is given as u minus a. Now the value of a is mu g, and t is the time taken for this block to come to a rest. So the time t will be equal to u upon mu g. So the correct option is A. Okay. So in this question, the most important thing which you have to remember is that the block will come to a halt only when the force of the friction is equal to the applied force. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question, and the topic will remain the same, that is friction. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.